Yes, good morning class 4. Welcome to the class. We will do some revision. As you know that you have your exam from 24th and maths I think it is on Thursday, isn't it? So till Thursday we will do some revision and after that we will start the next syllabus. Clear? So today I will give you some questions. You will solve that questions and then you will answer me and I will write the answers in the board. I will not solve the questions. Okay? You will only solve the questions. So take out your copy and start writing the questions. Take out your copy and quickly start writing the questions. Question number 1. Find 37 into 18. This is 2-digit multiplication. Quickly multiply and tell me the answer. The 4 questions I have given you. Quickly solve these 4 questions and write the answer. Yes, only Noenika has given the first answer. Others also. Others also. For everyone's answer I am waiting. Soham Mondol, answer for the first one. Soham Mondol, answer the first one. What is the answer for first one? See, 37 into 18. Quickly multiply. 8 sevens are 56, carry 5. 8 threes are 24, 24 plus 5, 29. 1 sevens are 7, 1 threes are 3. 16, carry 1, 6. See, this type of question will come in exam. Okay? You have to be very quick in the calculation. Otherwise, the time will be lost. And as you know, in the exam, it will be MCQ. The options will be given. The questions will be given to you. And the time is limited. And there are many questions to solve. Okay? So, you have to be very quick in your calculation. Clear? Now, the second one. Exactly. It is 50 question. Exactly. You have what problems will be there, but related to that the option will also be there. Okay, in maths it will not be 50 question, it will be less than that. 2 or 3 questions will be less than that. Okay, yes. Now this is 1-digit multiplication. Directly you can do, isn't it? So 4 6 are 24, carry 2. 4 zeros are 0, so 2 will be left, and 4 2s are 8. That is 824. Now 69 into 52. 69 into 52. Now multiply. 2 nines are 18, carry 1. 2 6 are 12, plus 1, 13. Now 5 nines are 45, carry 4. 5 6 are 30, plus 4 is 34. When you will add, it is 8, 8, 5 and 3. That is 3588. 3588. So 3588. Now multiply the next one. Students, quickly multiply and tell me the answer. You are not multiplying. Rather, I am doing the sums. Multiply the next one and tell me the answer. Multiply the next one and tell me the answer. Yes, for number C already I have done 3588. You have to solve number D. 77 into 55. 77 into 55. Multiply and tell me the answer. 77 into 55. It is very easy. Just you will multiply once with the 5 and 77, and the second step will be repeated. See. 5 sevens are 35, carry 3. 5 sevens are 35, 35 plus 3 is 36, 37 and 38. Now since here it is 55, here it is 77. That means the same number will be repeated. So 5, 8, 3. Then add 13, carry 1. 12, carry 1. It is exactly 4235. So, for the number D, the answer is 4235. Yes, exactly. The answer is 4235. Now, write, fill in the blanks. Here, I will give you some patterns. You have to solve that pattern. Okay. The first one, 39584. Comma 39684, 39784, then dash, dash and dash. First of all, you recognize where the changes are and then you fill the blank. That means then you fill the pattern. Okay. Tell me where the changes are. Where is the changes? Exactly, it is in the hundreds place. Here it is in 100 place 5, then it is 6, then it is 7. So naturally it will be, next will be 8. Yes. Exactly, you have to add 100. Then 984. So when you are adding here 100, what will be the next number? What will be the next number? It is 40. 39 plus 1, 40. 0, 8, 4. Okay. Now write number B. Now write number B. 66,967. Then 68,967, then 70,967, dash, dash and dash. Quickly fill this one. Where is the changes? Exactly. Change is in the thousands place. Change is in the thousands place. So change it. Change is in the thousands place, but you have to add 2. Yes. See, as you can see, here it is 6 plus 2000, 68 plus 2000, 78. So plus 2000 will be 72,967. Again, when you are adding 2, it will be 74,967. Again, when you are adding 2, it will be 76,967. Now see the next one. The next one is 165,492, then 175,492, 185,492. That means the changes is in which place? The change is 10,000s place, exactly. See, 6, 7, 8. That means you have to add 10,000 with the number. So next number will be 1, 9. Yes, this 19 will become 20. 90 will become 20. So 20, 5, 4, 9, 2. Then this 20 will become 21 and 5, 4, 9, 2. The other numbers will remain same. The other numbers will remain same. One more you do it. Yes, it is easy but time killing. Yes, I am writing the next one. This question we have done. When? Yes, this is the pattern questions. Okay, solve this one. See where the changes are. 1,000, ones, tens, 100 and 1,000. 7, then 8, then 9. That means 1,000 is added. 1,000 is added to the number. So next number will be 99 plus 1. 99 plus 1 is 100. Then 0, 9, 7. Then again add 100. It will be and the next number will be, yes, completed. Now write question number 3. Completed. Can I rub the board? Okay. Write question number 3. Some MCQs. Tick the correct option. Number 1. 1 million minus 9 thousandths is equals to dash. Number A, 1, 2, 0, 9 and 3 zeros. Option number B, 9, 9, 1 and 3 zeros. Option number C, 9, 1, 9 and 3 zeros. Number D, 9, 1, 3 zeros. Which option? B, C. You have subtracted? You have subtracted or not? Okay, the answer is option number B. For 1 million, how many zeros are there? For 1 million, how many zeros are there? 1 and after that? Exactly, exactly. For 1 million, 1 and 6 zeros, and it is subtracted by 9 thousandths. That means 9 and 3 zeros. So when you will subtract it, it will be 99100. That is option number B. Now write question number 2. The numeral for 11 million 11,000 11 million 11,000 11 is? Options are solve properly and answer me. Solve properly and answer me. Is it B or is it C? Yes, I have written B. It is option C, isn't it? Now tell me, which is the correct option? Is it B or C? 11 million, 11,011. Exactly, it is number B. Yes, 11,000, sorry, 11 million, 11,011. That is number B. Option number B. Okay, now write question number 3. Can I rub the board? Okay. Now write number 3. Number 3, 100 more than 99,990 equals dash. The options are 10,090, then number B 1,00900, option C 1 and 3 zeros, then 90, and number D is 1900. Exactly. Exactly. It is option number C. Yes. Now write question number 4. Now write question number 4. If a train leaves at 7:30 at night, the time written on the railway ticket would be number A 7:30, number B 18:30, number C 19:30, or number D 20:30. See, you have to change in 24-hour clock. You have to change in 24-hour clock and then you have to answer it. It is option number C. Exactly, because you will add this 7 with the 12. 7 plus 12 is 19. That's why it is 19:30. Listen, if you will say, how can I understand? One by one you say. And whatever you want to say, write in the chat box. Don't speak together, everyone. Okay. So students, the answer will be 19:30. So today up to this only, because you have to join your next class, and whatever we have practiced, students, you do it once more in your rough copy, because this type of questions or this type of pattern questions or these questions will come in your term 1 exam. Okay, so students, today up to this only. Bye all of you for today, and thank you all of you.